Hi! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
So Symphony said we have to vlog because it's January 1. And tonight it's brown out. It's black out. So there's no kuryente.
So we can survive with candles.
Yeah.
So
And we are using our Vanilla Bean Noel candle.
and my snacks beside the
Bath and Body Works Vanilla Bean Noel. This is so dugay na candle, and it doesn't seem to run out.
and my snacks is right there.
Yeah, but she has to.
Eat it tomorrow.
Yeah, because it's nighttime na.
Okay.
Okay, so before we sleep, mommy will do my what?
Night routine, yay!
Yeah.
Bun?
Which headband?
The blue one up there.
No.
Not that. The one with
Okay.
curly ones.
Before we sleep, I will do my skincare routine.
I want the curly one there.
So you cannot have your nebulizer because it's brown out. What are you doing?
I'm getting this headband
Why?
because it's my morning routine too.
Wala man kay morning routine.
I mean night routine, yes. Because it's our night routine.
No.
Instead, I'm gonna have a light. How did Daddy turn this on? What what's in there?
Oh, we have a light. Did Daddy give that to you?
Yeah, so we can survive.
Oh yeah. It's the
The survival.
cinnamon roll.
And I have 2 coronis.
Which one? It won't turn on anymore. This one won't. How do you turn it on?
Ow.
How do you turn it on? Yeah. It's Chromie.
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Another coroni.
And
Another coroni.
which one?
Another one. Okay.
I think it doesn't work anymore. It works!
Hello.
Oh.
So we can survive the darkness.
Yeah. He's so cute. Okay, I started off with my, what's this?
I don't know what that.
My Thayer's facial mist.
Yeah, we got.
And then I used the Eye White Korea Glow Up Toner Essence.
So.
And then after that, I ran out of vitamin C serum. So next, I will proceed with my niacinamide and salicylic acid serum.
So our party is not so our routine is not complete. We
Why?
left Daddy.
Huh?
We don't have Daddy here because he's going out with his friends tonight.
No, he's working, man.
Yeah, but
And it's my 5th day of using this serum. I cannot read it because there's no light, but it's the T-Shell Triple Whitening and Moisturizing Serum. Yeah.
Mommy,
So it's my 5th day. I don't know if there's a difference, but that's what I
Milo will be
use.
sleeping up here. Never mind. Milo is gonna watch the fan.
Okay.
We can survive. Our routine is not complete anyways. Just the 2 of us here.
Why?
Just the 4 because
Just the 4?
yeah,
Just
yeah,
the 2.
yeah, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, yeah. Grandma and Grandpa is in their room.
Opo, yeah, and Daddy isn't here because he's working. So he will come here tomorrow. But we're not scared. We'll survive with these.
Yeah, this gift from Daddy is so amazing.
Oh, it's so bright! It's so bright! The vlog.
And then this one. And she also have another one.
Yeah.
This.
Ooga, 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 ooga.
It's gives us light.
Okay.
I think it's much better if we put it in the cabinet.
Oh yeah, what a coincidence! Are we ready? Are we almost ready?
Maybe.
I'm getting dressed up.
These are so cute.
I'm getting dressed up.
For sleeping?
Yeah. Are you dressed up too?
Yeah.
Did you make my milky?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Sige na, go
You're
to your
gonna
place
do
na.
the milky 5 times?
4. Hi. So Symphony keeps on reminding me to use vlog. To vlog. So we are, you say it.
So we are sleeping now. So we can survive with those lights.
Yeah, the lights that Daddy gave her. Those lights.
Yes.
The chromie and the cinnamon roll. And then we are also using this fan from Santa Claus.
I have the big
And the bigger fan
mm-hmm.
or a share. Hopefully it will give us air.
Say hi, toys.
You say goodnight na.
No, I need to.
We're closing the vlog.
Bye.
Bye. Good night.
See you tomorrow. We're gonna have our morning routine tomorrow.